Today, I'll show you how to create bookmarks in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat using 3 different ways. Bookmarks help readers jump quickly to important pages or sections inside a PDF. They are especially useful for long reports, manuals, contracts, guides, ebooks, and training documents. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Then open the PDF where you want to add bookmarks. The first way is to create a bookmark from the current page view. Go to the page or section you want to bookmark. Adjust the zoom and position so the page looks exactly how you want it to appear when someone clicks the bookmark. Now open the Bookmarks panel on the left side. If you do not see it, click the bookmark icon, or go to View, then Show/Hide, then Side Panels, and choose Bookmarks. Click the New Bookmark button. Type a clear bookmark name like Introduction, Chapter 1, Pricing Table, or Contact Details. Now when someone clicks that bookmark, Acrobat will take them to that saved page view. The second way is to create a bookmark from selected text. Find a heading or title in your PDF. Highlight the text you want to use as the bookmark name. Then open the Bookmarks panel and click New Bookmark. Acrobat may use the selected text as the bookmark title. This is helpful because you do not need to type the bookmark name manually. The third way is to organize bookmarks after creating them. You can drag bookmarks up or down to change their order. You can also drag one bookmark under another bookmark to make it a sub-bookmark. For example, you can have a main bookmark called Chapter 1, with smaller bookmarks under it for Section 1, Section 2, and Summary. To rename a bookmark, right-click it and choose Rename. To delete one, right-click it and choose Delete. After creating your bookmarks, test them. Click each bookmark and make sure it opens the correct page or section. When everything works correctly, save the PDF. Click File, then Save. If you want to keep the original file unchanged, choose Save As and save a new copy. So, to keep it simple, you can create bookmarks from the current page view, create bookmarks from selected text, and organize bookmarks into a clean structure using the Bookmarks panel. And that's how you create bookmarks in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.